More te weu te aka te rea, ko te wao nui, te kune, te pē, te kore, te pō, ki ngā tangata Māori nā rangi, rāua ko papa ko tēnei te timatanga o te ao, ko tēnei te timatanga o te ao, e rongo whakairia ki runga kia tīna, tīna, haumi e hui e, tai ki e. Whānau, nau mai, haere mai, hoki mai, te umuariki here whānau for kiimaimaori Aoitepö. Hope you've all had a good break. Welcome along to our first video for this kaupapa for Kiimai 5, talking about Kupu, Kïwaha, Whakataukï, Kïanga and Waiata, Kīnaki. Our first one today, Rahina, te rā tuatahi o te wiki, is about Kupu, just some little short kupu whānau, little ones, so small they're nearly down to a pū, ko te pū, to a letter. But these ones are like little pūmua, pūmuri, little suffixes and prefixes. That's enough about that, or you might have to shoot me. Here's our first one, whakarongo, he, te, me, ngā, kōrero mai. Ka mau te wihi, whakarongo, he, te, me, ngā, kōrero mai. Ka mau te wihi whānau. Hey whānau, I reckon that's enough for this week. It's only our first day. We've got more to learn throughout the week. This is our first one. Write those into your pukatuhinga. Write them out 2 or 3 times and add them when you get the PDF. There'll be more there to write out, okay? It's enough for now. Have a good week. It's our beginning. I'll see you tomorrow for the Kïwaha. Write these out. Have a look at these alongside the karakia ko te pū. See how many times you can see he, te, me, ngā. Don't forget to patua te patua te api mai, the subscribe button, and I'll see you tomorrow. Mauri ora whānau. Woo! Kia ora koutou, nau mai, hoki mai, ko te rā tū, te rā tuarua o te wiki, Kiimai 5, Kīwaha, Kīwaha, sayings, idioms, Kīwaha, kōrero mai whānau. Tāhua, beautiful whānau, sayings, idioms, slang, colloquialism, whānau. We don't have any swear words in our language, in te reo Māori. But yeah, God help you if you do things wrong. They'll soon let you know. They'll use a Kīwaha to uplift you, to put you in your place, or Whakataukï and other expressions as well. Today, a little short one. Whānau, they don't normally line up with he, te, me, ngā, but I think I might have stumbled on one from the young people and I'm going to try it out. Apparently it means wicked. The words won't look like that, but you've got to put your emphasis into it. And anyway, I'm going to try. I'm going to make this one up. You guys tell me if I'm wrong and put me right and put me in my place and say, rukahu, means lies. But anyway, we'll try it out. Mehe te, if that means wicked. Mehe te, kōrero mai. Not too bad. Mehe te, kōrero mai. Ka mau te wehi whānau. Hey, awesome whānau. I think that's enough for today. You tell me, put a comment down below if you've heard that Kīwaha before. I'm actually just winging this one. I think you can tell too. But anyway, whānau, api mai api atu, patua te pātene, hit that button, helping me to help you, to help others. E rongo whakairia ki runga, kia tīna, tīna, haumi e hui e, tai ki e. See you tomorrow, whānau. Kïanga, Māori keyword phrases and sentences. See you there. Ka ki te. Nau mai hoki mai whānau, ko te rā apa, te rā tuatoru o te wiki, Kiimai 5, Kïanga, Kīanga, kōrero mai. Ka pai whānau, Māori keyword phrases, sentences, sentence structures, just a little bit today, only a little bit whānau. Just remember, this is our first week, and you're going to build on this each week. So I'm only going to give you a little bit to digest, okay? Don't forget in your PDFs though, you've got a lot more there to elaborate on. I'm going to send you that as well. This is a starter. He, te, me, ngā. Kōrero mai. Ka pai whānau, just recapping from Monday. Here we go. He, whare. Kōrero mai. Anō. Ka pai. Me, te, waka. Kōrero mai. Ka pai. Me, ngā, tamariki. Kōrero mai. Ka māman. Ngā wari noi hoi. No sweat to you guys. Listen to it now. It's a little bit longer. He whare. Me, te waka. Me, ngā, tamariki. Anō whakarongo. He whare, me, te waka, me, ngā, tamariki. Kōrero mai. Ka pai whānau, Māori ora. I reckon that's enough for a mellow puff. Write that out a few times. Check out your expanded version on your PDF. If you want more, come to class or I'll see you online. That's enough for now. Māori ora whānau, ka kite āpopo, ko te rā pare Whakataukï. Tihei, Māori ora. Kia ora tātou, nau mai hoki mai, ko te rā pare, Kiimai 5, Whakataukï. Whakataukï. Kōrero mai. Ka pai whānau. Hey, sometimes you might want to use something to express your sentiments, to lay down the kaupapa. Sometimes you can say it literally with a Kïanga or a sentence, but the Māori, a lot of times they'll use a Whakataukï. Ka pai. And once again, how are you going to line a Whakataukï up with he, te, me, ngā? But let's give it a go. Let's have a bit of fun too and have poetic license to have a bit of fun with these things. He, te, me, ngā. He iti te kupu, he nui te kōrero. Whakarongo. He iti te kupu, he nui te kōrero. Kōrero mai. Ka pai. One more. He iti te kupu, he nui te kōrero. Kōrero mai. Ka pai whānau. Hey, literally that's saying, little words, big story. Ka pai. I haven't got time to say a lot of things today to you, but you know, I think a lot about you. You've done a lot of work. Or he iti te kupu, he nui te kōrero. Words can hardly express what I want to say here today. Just a little bit like that. If you want to elaborate on it, have a look on Google, have a look in your dictionaries, find other applications and way for you to use it. But I think that's enough for this week. And mo tēnei rā, keeping it short. He iti te kupu, he nui te kōrero, ka ki te āpopo. What do you think the waiata might be for tomorrow? He waiata kīnaki to support the mahi this week. Just have a little think, see what you think it might be. What if you had to stand up and sing one to support what we did this week? I'm going to leave that to you. E rongo whakairia ki runga kia tīnā, tīnā, haumi e hui e, tai ki e. Kia ora koutou, me he korokoro tui. Whānau, we're up to our waiata kīnaki, nau mai hoki mai, Kiimai 5, kiimaimaori Aoitepö, keeping it real and keeping it real. Just doing what you can over the week, whānau. It has been awesome. Thank you for the feedback we've been receiving. Keep up the good work. do your little bit of due diligence, do your little bit of writing in your tuhinga, in your notebooks each week. Add to it. You've also got the visual, you've got the written tutorial, the PDF with an expanded explanation on there. Do your little bit. Have a look at this week's karakia, see how many times these kupu reappear in it. But anyway, today's all about Waiata Kinaki to support the work that we've done this week. A big shout out to Rita Tia and Ricky Baker for sharing this, the second verse of this Waiata with me. I knew the first half, but I didn't know the second half. And also, he kupu aroha, I roto i tēnei Waiata, ki tō mātou kaubātua, kua ngaro ki te pō, aroha ki a ia, ko koro reari ia, no reire koro, moi mai rā. Te aroha, te whakapono, me te rangi mari e, tātou tātou e, he. He tangata ke mātou, he tangata ke koutou, engari i tēnei wā, tātou tātou e. Let peace reign. E rongo whakairia ki runga kia tīna, tīna. Haumi e hui e, tai ki e. Whānau, awhi mai awhi atu, tātou tātou e, patua te pātene, subscribe, meki, awhi mai whānau.